Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Groupme app not working. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So if the app doesn't want to open, then we can try different solutions. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up the Play Store, then press on to search in the top right hand corner of the screen. And then go to the top of the page, press on it and then type in Groupme and press enter. Now, if you find an update button, then you're gonna have to tap on it and wait for the Groupme app to install the updated version. Now, once it's done installing, you can go ahead and press on to open. If that didn't work, then you can try to delete cache. And to do that, you wanna open up the settings and then scroll down and look for the option that says apps. Then press on to app management. And here you're gonna have to look for the Groupme app from this list. Once you find it, you can press on it and then tap onto storage usage. And here you can press on to clear cache underneath and try opening up the app again. If it's still not working, then you can come back up a screen and press on to uninstall and then go to the Play Store and try reinstalling the app, and hopefully one of these methods should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next one.